Okay guys, hello, this is Calvin again, and I'm bringing you another tutorial on ModMaker, but this time it's how to use it. So the basics of how each one of these, so add recipe, add block, add world generation, add item to furnace, add item, works. So we're going to start off, I'm going to show you add recipe, then we'll move on to block, then we'll add the world generation for the block, then item to furnace, then item. But we may move to item after we've added recipe, so we can create some sort of sword or something like that maybe. So the first thing we've got to do before we can make anything is set the mod name. So I'm going to put YouTube for the purpose of this. The mod name is not allowed to have any spaces or any of these things, I don't think. Oh, well, it can have them. It can't have them. But it can have spaces. I think it can, it can have a dot. But most things it can do apart from dot and space. So once you've put the name, you want to click set, and it will basically, this will be used for your block and things like that. So we're going to start off with recipe, so we'll click add recipe, and the way this is laid out is this is your crafting table. As you can see, there's your crafting grid, and this is what it gives you. So the way that this has been laid out is actually really easy to understand. So all we have to do is place what we want in these squares of how we want it to be crafted in Minecraft, and then it will give us, and we place what it will give us and how much. So for the purpose of this, we're going to click this, add item / block list, and we're going to choose, well, you can choose anything, but I'm going to choose dirt because to test it and to make sure it works, we're going to spawn on a new world, and the easiest thing to get is dirt. So you can change it, we'll change it afterwards. So you just click dirt, block.dirt, and copy. This item and block list contains everything in Minecraft, so you can use anything, and if you make a block or an item, that will also appear on this. So I'll just copy the item or block you want and paste it in how you want it to be made. So for me, I'm going to paste it in a square, a 4x4 square, so 4 blocks of dirt in a square. Now the product is what it's going to give us, so I'm going to give off that, I'm going to give myself some diamond. So we need to find item dot diamond, there it is, copy and paste it here. So basically what we have done is created, when we go into Minecraft, it will we'll get 4 blocks of dirt, we will place it like this, and it will give us our diamond. So for the quantity, the minimum is 1, the maximum 64. So I'm going to put 10. For this, I'm going to put 10. So this is it. This is your recipe. So now, once you've basically placed how you need them, and you've placed your product and your quantity, we click add recipe. This just shows you the code that was generated that you would have had to type if you didn't have this mod maker. Once we've added recipe, we can just come off this and click generate code files. The command prompt will come up, it'll recompile, and hopefully there will be no errors. But if there is, I'm going to be a bit worried. So it may take a while, it may take instant. I mean, I've had ones where it took me like 4 seconds. So there we go, done in 17.3. Wow, very long. And if there's no errors popped up, then you're done. So we can just press any key to continue and test mod. So this runs a little Minecraft client thing. So obviously this isn't your Minecraft, it's a one that is in MCP. So you need to create a new world. Hurry up. So when we spawn, we need to get 4 dirt, and it should give us our diamond. So dirt gives us 10 diamond. So we know now that that works. So obviously now you've made this, we can go on and create an item, and then with the item we can create a recipe to make some cool stuff. So let's go do that. Make sure you quit game that way rather than clicking X, else it will just screw up. So now we've created our recipe. To see what you've created, click these 2 arrows here and this will pop up. So as you can see, we've added recipes. We've got 1 recipe in there.